Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ramen at home. First, let's focus on the heart of any great ramen, the broth. A rich, flavorful broth is essential. You'll want to simmer bones, like pork or chicken, with aromatics such as ginger and garlic for at least 6 to 8 hours. Remember to skim off any foam for a clearer, cleaner taste. Next, let's talk about the noodles and essential toppings. Cook your ramen noodles according to package directions, ensuring they are al dente. For toppings, a perfectly soft-boiled egg with a jammy yolk is a must. Thinly sliced chashu pork or seasoned chicken adds wonderful flavor and texture. Don't forget some fresh scallions and nori. Now, let's elevate our ramen with tere and aroma oil. Tere is a concentrated seasoning that gives your broth its signature flavor. It's often a mix of soy sauce, mirin, and dashi. Aroma oil, like a garlic-infused oil, adds a layer of richness and fragrance. Just a small amount makes a big difference in the final bowl. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Warm your serving bowls to keep the ramen hot longer. Start by adding your prepared tere to the bottom of the bowl, then pour in the hot broth. Carefully place your cooked noodles, followed by your array of delicious toppings. Finish with a drizzle of aroma oil and enjoy your homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.